How to send GIF in Instagram comments. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. Now it's actually not that hard to do, but some people may face a couple of problems. Now the number one problem is that you simply just don't have it yet. Even though you have updated your app, you've updated your phone to the latest version, some people just don't have it yet. Like I used to not even have this on this account, not even that long ago, even though I still or already had it on another account. So some people just have to wait a bit. And yeah, so keep that in mind, please. Now, how to actually send a GIF then? Simply go to any post you would like to. So I'm going to go to this post. And you can already see when I want to add a comment, you can see that on the right it says GIF. Now, normally it would say something like post in blue, but like it does right now. But when you don't have anything typed in there, it says GIF. Now, that is where you can actually send a GIF. So like I said, if you don't have that option, even though you've updated your app and phone or whatever, you simply just have to wait a bit because Instagram is just weird like that. It is all, with every single update, it's just weird. So to actually send a GIF, just simply click on it and you can actually send any GIF you would like to on here. So I can, for example, send that one, or I can simply search for anything. So you can search, for example, for an artist as well, and send this. And yeah, oh, whoops, I actually sent it twice. So you can do basically anything. So yeah, that's pretty cool. That's how you can actually send a GIF in Instagram comments. Now, if this video helped you out, let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.